I'm back again, and this time I like to simplify the message that I sent out yesterday, because I know you guys want to do something for your people, but you think you don't have the ability. Let me tell you, that is very wrong. Our oppressor want us to think that we don't have the ability. They like it when we are silent. They like it when we are shy. What I'm trying to do is very simple, and I'm sorry that the message yesterday sounded a little bit intimidating. But I need 3 things from you guys if you really want to help your people. The first thing, passion. Passion to help your people. That is the first thing. Second thing, a phone. And if you are watching this, you have phone. Third, internet asset. If you are watching this, you have internet asset. Because what I'm trying to do is very simple, and it's not political, so don't fear about retaliation or anything. What I'm trying to do is social justice for our people. And we will use every social media platform, share our parents, our grandparents, and our story, where we came from, why, what happened to us. And we will also collect news from Thailand, Myanmar, current state. What is happening there? Why BBC, VOA, and major social media, they don't broadcast it? It's okay if they don't want to. Now we got freedom of speech. And we have internet. And we have social media platform. We can make this happen. And just like you guys, I was reluctant too, Before I made video, I was thinking, well, my English is not perfect, and you guys might think I'm just a lousy person. But then I think, if I don't do anything, who's gonna suffer? The people, our people, and other ethnic minority in Myanmar. So I have to weigh these 2 things. Which one is heavier? So I know you all wanted to help. You all wanted to do something for your people. You know what's happened in Myanmar right now? The Myanmar military attack our people, and they have been displaced. They need food. They need medical supplies. They need humanitarian assistance. But the Myanmar authorities say, no, we won't let you guys send out assistance, help. This is outrageous. Please don't get too comfortable because we live in a country that rich, or we got everything we have. And please don't be shy. And don't think that you don't have the ability. If you don't try, you never know. If I'm gonna do this alone, it's gonna take another decade for people to hear our voice. If we do it together, we will see the result faster, quicker, and it will go far. It is a simple thing, but then it will make a big impact on our people. I need a lot of people from different regions, so I can team up you guys, and you guys can just work like a satellite remotely, So please, if you have the 3 things that I just mentioned, just email me. And guess what? I got 10 people already email me. And you guys, thank you so much for being so brave and being so forwarded. Tomorrow I will send out email to people that send me email I will send out like collectively, and we will start from there. And if you are already doing something like this, let's cooperate, because I'm not trying to get attention, or I'm not trying to do something like different. All I wanted to do is like everyone to come together and utilize social media platform, every social media platforms, and make our voice heard. So email me, join this. We will work in team, and we will make this happen together. Okay? I know we are busy, but we have to make it time. We have to make commitment for our people. We can't deny justice to them anymore, any longer. This is our time. This is our time. So let's not delay it any longer. Thank you, everyone. Have a good night. And I'm looking forward to work with all of you. Bye-bye. Dabuete with a sushani by email a pay la bagamata kota on it again. So.